Walking along on my hike for the evening, I'm seeing all sorts of different colors today. Do you know what season it is when the leaves start to change? What colors do you think that they will turn? I see a shape that we see almost every day. The tree trunks and the length of the tree is called a cylinder. It's when it's round on all sides and it has a top and a bottom. These ones are really high. I wonder how old these trees are. Do you guys have any guesses? I spy two different shapes here. Can you tell me what shapes they are? The top one is a diamond, or if you turn it a little bit, this one could be a square. And on the bottom, that one is a rectangle with two short sides and two long sides. We're coming up to another shape that I see, but first, how many different colors of green do you see? I see some light green, some dark green, some in-between greens. Look at all the different types of trees out here. Some short, some tall. Oh, and there's our shape. Can you see what shape are on that bench? I spy another thing along my walk. Anyone guess what letter that is? What if I turn it this way? Is it a different letter? So we've talked a lot about the different greens that we've seen here, the lights and the dark, and that the leaves are starting to change color. But does anyone know what the word for green is in Ojibwe? It's ani bish inade. So you can say that, ani bish inade. The color green, or it is the color of a leaf. But look at these leaves over here. What color are they? And what season do you think it is when the leaves start changing color? Can you hear that? Sounds of birds. There's something rumbling in the grass over here. Oh, that's what it is. Hi, Animush. Are you being sneaky? All right, my friends. We're nearing the end of our trail. So it's time for me to say Gigawabamin. Nugget says Gigawabamin Minowa. I hope you guys have fun adventures on your hike.